Hey everyone, today we're going to tackle something I think we can all relate to, mastering your iPhone photo privacy.
You know that feeling, right? That little moment of panic. You hand your phone to a friend to show them one funny picture, and you just break into this cold sweat, hoping, praying they don't swipe one photo too far.
Yeah, that's what we're calling the photo swipe panic. We've all been there. But hey, the good news? We're going to fix it. There is a super simple, really powerful way to take back control and just end that feeling for good.
Okay, so let's build our first layer of privacy, our first line of defense. This is a feature that's already built right into your iPhone. And honestly, it's the easiest way to start taking charge of who sees what. All right, this first part is incredibly easy. Just open up your Photos app, find a photo, or even a few photos that you want to hide. Now you're going to tap that little three-dot icon down in the corner. A menu pops up, and all you have to do is select Hide and then confirm it. That's it.
And just like that, poof, it's gone. It's hidden from your main library, your recents, all of that. It's a fantastic first step, right? But it begs the question, where did it actually go?
And that's the next piece of the puzzle, isn't it? I mean, hiding photos is great, but you've got to know how to get back to them yourself. So where did they go? Let's go find them.
Okay, so in the Photos app, just tap on the Albums tab. Now you're going to scroll all the way down, keep going, right to the bottom. You'll see a section called Utilities, and tucked away in there is the Hidden Album. That's where all your private photos are now living.
But hang on a second. Here's the problem. The album is called Hidden, but it's not really very hidden, is it? It's just sitting right there for anyone to see if they scroll down. That's not exactly secure. So if we want to get serious about privacy, we have to go pro. This next part, this is what I call the invisible album trick. This is the real deal, the pro-level solution for total privacy. This is how you go from just hiding a photo to making an entire album completely disappear. This is the good stuff. So think about it like this. Before, your hidden album is just there, visible to anyone scrolling through your albums. But after we do this next step, that album is completely gone from view, vanished. That's the goal here. Okay, here's how you do it. You're going to leave the Photos app for a second and open up the main Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down the list and tap on Photos. See that toggle that says Show Hidden Album? All you got to do is turn that little switch to the off position. And success! That's it. Your hidden album is now totally invisible. If you go back to the Photos app and scroll down, you'll see it's just gone. The photos are still there, they're safe, but nobody's going to just stumble upon them. Now that is real privacy. Now, obviously you'll want to know how to get them back, right? It's just as easy. You just go back into your settings, flip that Show Hidden Album toggle back on, and your album will reappear. Then you can go in, select a photo, tap the three dots, and choose Unhide. Simple. And there you have it. In just a couple of minutes, you've basically become a privacy pro. You now have this awesome new toolkit to manage exactly what people see in your photos. So let's recap what you've got now. First, you can hide any photo or video you want. Second, you know how to find those photos in the hidden album. And third, and this is the big one, you know how to make that entire hidden album invisible for maximum security. So your photos are secure. You've mastered this little corner of your digital world. And it kind of makes you wonder, right? With this kind of control at your fingertips, what will you protect next?